Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 11, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So no economic events for the day planned, so we're just going to jump into the charts and see what's been happening for our Monday. So we're looking here at the Euro USD. It's holding steady at 113.90. We had a little bit of a sell-off yesterday and then a nice bounce. So, I mean, like I said, I think we'll be trading in this new range. This may be the upper lower range at 113, 117. So it's a little bit harder to see, and you got to go a little bit further back to see what the ranges were here for the Euro USD between 114.36 on the upper range and then 113-ish on the lower range. It's a little bit hard to see exactly what it is. There's still a significant resistance at 114.36, which is this upper range here. So let's see how it unfolds this week, but a little bit of a seesaw ride right now, and that's what I expect it to be continuing. Look at the GBP USD, a little bit of a retracement yesterday. We bounced a little bit yesterday after selling off in the morning, holding this 128.25, but it's not selling off completely. We do have a resistance level further at 127.73. I thought it would hold a little bit stronger, but as you can see, the GBP is not holding against the dollar as much as the euro has been holding, and we mentioned this yesterday, a little bit of relative weakness for the GBP. So, you know, between the two, if you're going to buy something, I would probably buy the Euro USD to hold the line and continue going further. And, you know, when the market is turning, I would look to short the GBP. So those are your go-to in terms of the Euro USD and GBP USD as they unfold. Looking at the USD Japanese yen, continue its rally, and we're getting closer to a little bit of a resistance, 114.60-ish level and 115-ish level. That's a resistance level right there. So just as you noted, okay, it was a nice rally. It's been a nice rally. Let's see if we can continue. It's a nice trend up, but as long as the momentum keeps on going up, it might be a good idea to actually buy in the bull pack here, and then as the market continues to sell into that strength. Looking at gold, very weak still, trading at 1,211 here. As you can see, we're at this lower range. The reason I have the weekly chart up is, you know, I just want to see where is there a possible support level. So 1,200-ish, I would say, is another possibility of a support level. If we don't hold this line and we go down further than 1,200, we could definitely see ourselves going back to 1,123. So that's something that, you know, you got to keep an eye on. I think we'll hold this 1,200 level-ish though, and see, maybe we could bounce off of it a little bit. But on a technical perspective of it, it's still, you know, the market, the gold is still weak. There is a little bit of a minor support level, I would say, of 1,200, but if we do breach it, I definitely feel we could go further down. Looking at the Dow Jones yesterday, we had a little bit of an update yesterday, as you can see, trading at 21,378. We're right here in the middle of the range between this 21,257 on the lower end and 21,435 on the upper range. So really hard to call it right now. Have to wait as the week unfolds to see which way we're going to go. But we're definitely consolidating at these levels. We're not going higher, but we're not going lower either. So it's going to be a little bit of a tug-of-war, I think, as we approach August and as the market changes. Looking at the DAX as well, a little bit of a rally yesterday, bounced off this 12,364 and just above this previous support level at 12,439. Like I said, we're not making higher highs here. Okay, we've corrected ourselves. This might be you know, an indication for the Dow Jones just a week, a month ahead. So keep an eye on both the DAX and the Dow Jones to see how things unfold for them. Looking at the USD CAD, a little bit of a consolidation at 128 here. As you can see, we've had this massive sell-off in the CAD getting a lot stronger versus the dollar over the past, you know, few months. So just keep an eye on this as this unfolds as well, okay? And you know, as we anticipate a possible bounce somewhere here, maybe a 128.50-ish level, as we've had this massive correction for the Canadian dollar. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.